and let me know what you infer from this. So this is where I have told you your previous knowledge and your common sense will work. ಈ ತರ questions ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 and 2 only.
Yes, sir.
So why not option 3, madam? Any problem with option 3?
No, sir.
So why you are eliminating that one? See what I said, your previous knowledge and common sense ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ. So
Yes.
we have discussed about only paramitas, correct? No.
Yes, sir.
When I asked you, sir, have you heard this name? Andre, nobody said, all said, we have not heard. So paramita. In UPSC, they have ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಪರಮಿತನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪರಮಿತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್? ಮಹಾಯಾನ ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, and there was a belief that even women can also have moksha.
Moksha, sir.
Correct, no? So ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ when they were making this woman to have a moksha, then they will automatically give, yes sir, the higher position. No, they have to give higher position. So ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವ ಹೇಗೋ, then the paramita, what is paramita sir? These are the rules and regulations, like they have to ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪರಮಿತಗಳು ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವವನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೆನ್ he will again lastly attain moksha. Okay, so the same way, and this Mahayana sect, they were deity. Okay, they were deified, no? Deified ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪೂಜೆ,
Idol worship.
ಐಡಲ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
So ನೋಡಿ, first one, the female deities are benevolent, saviors and protectors who embody Buddhist virtues. Correct? Then in Prajna Paramita text, knowledge is visualized in feminine form as a deity called as Prajna Paramita. Correct? Then obviously idad nantara she was the source of omniscience. Okay, Prajna Paramita is described as the source of omniscience of all Buddhas and the mother of all Buddhas. They have to give a higher position, no?
Yes, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ all ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
All Buddhas are she was mother to all Buddhas.
Okay.
See, when you say mother, so mother to all children only, no sir?
Yes, sir.
Buddhism only, same way.
Yes, sir.
The option will be A. So see, the UPSC EPF recent question paper, whatever you have discussed in the class, continue more question, no? You could answer.